Hey there, fellow Swifties and wellness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of the one and only Taylor Swift, who never ceases to amaze us, whether it's through her music, her cookie recipes, or her incredible onstage stamina. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind Taylor Swift's wellness routine, from her balanced diet to her fitness regimen and everything in between. First things first, Taylor Swift is all about balance when it comes to her diet. During the week, she opts for healthier choices like salads, yogurt, and sandwiches. However, she's not one to create too many rules for herself. On the weekends, it's all about classic comfort foods. Think burgers, fries, and the beloved ice cream. And, oh, she's a passionate baker too. Taylor's also a big fan of Starbucks. She sips on a vanilla latte during the weekdays and indulges in that pumpkin spice latte, PSL, magic on the weekends. Coffee lovers, you're in good company. Now, let's talk about Taylor's on-tour stamina, the kind that keeps her going during those legendary 3-hour, 44-minute performances. Back in 2010, she was all about cardio. Taylor clocked in an hour of treadmill running every day. With a twist, it was all about blasting new songs and running to the beat. Beyond the treadmill, Taylor's known to be a fan of the Body by Simone, BBS, workout classes. This method, created by celebrity trainer Simone de la Rue, blends dance cardio and resistance exercises. You can even try it out for yourself on the Pop Sugar Fitness YouTube channel or join the BBS Digital Studio with a membership. As if Taylor's musical talents weren't enough, she's also quite the culinary artist. She's shared her favorite dinner party recipes, including dishes from culinary legends like Ina Garten, Nigella Lawson, and Jamie Oliver. When it comes to baking, her winter favorites include pumpkin bread and ginger molasses cookies. And if you're lucky, you might just catch a glimpse of her cinnamon rolls and chai sugar cookies. For breakfast, Taylor enjoys buckwheat crepes with ham, Parmesan cheese, and a fried egg, paired with orange juice. Log on to shopkwality.com for the latest deals for kids and pets. And don't forget her trusty Diet Coke. She keeps her fridge stocked. Taylor Swift is all about staying hydrated. She's known for drinking so much water that her friends humorously call her an alien. In fact, she kept a whole case of water in her car to ensure she never ran out. Her dressing room is always well stocked with water too. In addition to her hydration habits, Taylor takes a few supplements. She's mentioned using L-theanine to manage stress and anxiety, and magnesium for muscle health and energy. L-theanine helps you stay alert and boosts neurotransmitters like dopamine and GABA. Magnesium supports healthy serotonin production and aids in better sleep. Taylor Swift's journey to self-acceptance is an inspiring one. In her 2020 Netflix documentary, Miss Americana, she candidly shared her past struggles with an eating disorder and how she overcame it. She learned to embrace her body, its curves, and all the beauty it represents. Her journey is a reminder to work on accepting your body every day, and to stop hating every ounce of it. It's a message of self-love and self-acceptance that we all can learn from. Taylor Swift is no stranger to travel, and she knows how to maintain her well-being on the road. She always brings candles with her, creating a comforting atmosphere wherever she goes. Unpacking is a must when she arrives at her hotel, helping her stick to her comforting routines and stay balanced. Last but not least, Taylor Swift has always turned to writing as a way to process her emotions. Whether it's poetry, song lyrics, or journaling, writing keeps her honest and helps her work through feelings, from rejection and loneliness to joy and love. And there you have it, the secrets to Taylor Swift's wellness routine that help her stay energized, creative, and ready to conquer the world. Whether it's her balanced approach to food, her dedication to cardio, or her culinary talents, Taylor is a true inspiration in more ways than one. If you found this insight into Taylor Swift's lifestyle fascinating, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss more exciting celebrity, wellness, and lifestyle updates like this. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.